Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to change the Gemini voice on the following device. So the Gemini is like a huge thing here on the POCO F7 because you can use it as your smart assistant. Let me show you how to change the voice of this assistant. Let's open the settings right here. Choose Xiaomi HyperAI. Choose Gemini. Choose Gemini setting and select Gemini's voice.
I'm excited to be your voice.
You can use Orion.
Pick me to start chatting.
You can use Orbit,
Until you find your perfect match.
Vega,
Remember, you can always switch voices later. I'm ready. If you're curious about
Eclipse,
swipe to explore. It's lovely to meet you.
Lyra,
Give me a chance, or check out the other option.
Perhaps I'm the perfect.
Pegasus,
Choose me, and
I'd be thrilled to be the voice you choose for Gemini, but let's be honest, the
Sapella,
other voices are great too.
choosing a voice
Nova,
is tricky, but hopefully it's fun.
Maybe I'm the voice
Ursa,
you've been looking for, but
I'm another voice in the mix, ready
Deeper.
to talk whenever you are.
maybe
let me use Nova.
Choosing a voice can be a bit tricky. Choosing a voice.
As you can see, if you leave the voice right here, you will set it up. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.